In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D text in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the Canva website and then click on Create a Design from the left-hand side and then select a blank template. Now, once you've opened your document, come over to this left-hand navigation and scroll all the way down and click on Apps. Now, in the search box, we need to type in the word text and hit enter. Then from the list of tools, you'll see this one here called a text maker. So go and click on that. Now, right at the top here, you'll see 3D, click on that. And here's all of the different 3D effects that we can go and create. So most of these are free. There are some paid ones as well. So simply just scroll through the list and find the 3D effect that you like the look of. Now, for this demonstration, I'm just going to be using this bright one, but you can really use any of these that you like. And then for the text, just go and type in what you want this to say. We can also scroll down and change things like the font and also the colors and the styling. So if you click on customize colors, you can change the gradient and also the outline colors. I'm just going to leave mine as the default and click on add to design. Make sure the quality is set to medium and click on add to design. And just like that, we've now created this 3D text effect. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.